Alright. What's going on, guys? Thanks for coming back and checking out this channel. On today's video, hopefully it's going to be a short and sweet video. What I wanted to get into, I wanted to install the Karcepts AC and power steering delete kit onto the K24 engine that I got going into the EG. So guys, stay tuned. Let me set the camera up on a tripod and let's get into this. Guys, this is what the kit comes with. It comes with the tensioner bracket, the relocating bracket for the alternator, and then the bolts with these spacers. So yeah, let's set the camera up on a tripod and let's install this kit. We're going to be starting off by grabbing the alternator relocating bracket and the two stubby 14mm bolts. Down at the bottom, right above the oil pan here, there's two bolt holes that you could put the 14mm bolts to. That's where they would go. So the bracket would go like this. There you go. And put the bolts through. That's it. That's all she wrote. Now on and install the bracket that would go right here, which is the tensioner bracket. The top long one is going to come with two bolts, a longer one and a half size one, a smaller one. The longer one goes at the top. So all we got left is the long bolt with the spacer that goes for the top alternator bolt, and then the two bolts that are for the alternator itself, the two bottom bolts for the alternator. So yeah, let me grab the alternator. I'll be right back. All right, guys. So you get the bolt and the alternator. Down at the bottom here, let me try to get this camera. Alright guys, right underneath the tensioning bracket, there's a bolt right down here. So what you would do is you put the spacer first, and the alternator goes on top of it, and then put the bolt through the top of the alternator bolt. So let me set the camera down and try to put this bolt in. Then the other two, for these two bolts, would get put on the, come on, focus, on those two bolts down there. So yeah, let me set the camera up on a tripod and let me finish bolting this up. Oh man. Wait, I think this is the K20 pulley. Ran into a pickle, guys. So, fun fact, the K20 belt that it comes with is non-compatible on a K24 pulley. That's what I'm assuming. The pulley might be a bigger diameter pulley, so with that being said, I'm gonna have to put a pause on this install. Once I pick up the other belt, I'll try to finish this video up and upload it as soon as I can. So fortunately it's the next day. I was able to pick up and find a belt for the K24. So if you are wondering, the belt that I'm using to fit on the K24 crank pulley is going to be a 505 K6 belt. So, you know, there you go, just for reference if you guys ever run into the same issue. This is a number 6 Allen. Function, you're still able to flex it, which is pretty tight. I think we're good there. What I gotta do now is tighten the two inside. Hold on. Let me see. Boom. Tighten the two bolts on the inside of the bracket. What she wrote. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. If you guys took any knowledge out of this video, guys, I would really appreciate it if you guys would, you know, like, share, and subscribe. Guys, until next time, stay blessed. Peace.